So for this Thanksgiving, I bought a 30-pound turkey, and I just filleted the breast off and tied them up, and that was the Thanksgiving dinner for us. And what I had left was the quarters, the legs, and the wings. So in this video, well, actually, I'm gonna make two videos. I'm gonna make two where I do the quarters for like pulled turkey sandwiches, and I'll make another one where I'll make these parts here in the oven. So the first video here is for the quarters. So for the leg quarters, I'm gonna use half a stick of butter. Just dump it down there. A teaspoon of salt and garlic powder. Just gonna mix it around down there. Leg corners just a little bit. And just a quarter cup of water to get it going. That's it for now. We're gonna set it to slow cooking at 8 hours, and it is going now. See you in 8 hours. And it's been 8 hours. Ooh. Oh, it smells so good. It smells really good. And here we go. I'm gonna see if I can get more on the tray. Come on, baby. Come on. Look at that. Look at that. And it's tender. Look at this. And from this point, I'm gonna maybe cool it off a little so I can use my hands. No, see, fall off the bone here. That's how I want it. Same with the other one. Ooh, I don't even have to shred this. It's like the thread itself. And I'm just gonna this away. So at this point, when it's been shredded, is where you can eat it like this. It's delicious. Or you can add barbecue sauce. Mix it with barbecue sauce. I just leave it like this, and I put it on sandwiches with barbecue sauce on top and a good scoopful of coleslaw. Let me taste the piece. My God, it's so perfect. It is so good. So there you go, shredded turkey quarters. I hope you like this video. If you do, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.